In this video, we will discuss the 8 steps for handling a PR crisis. Stay with us until the end. Step 1, assemble the team and evaluate the situation. Gather stakeholders to analyze crisis magnitude, risks, impacts, and root causes. Step 2, embrace transparency and acknowledge responsibility. Acknowledge the crisis openly, take responsibility, and demonstrate accountability to rebuild trust. Step 3, develop a clear and consistent message. Align all communications with brand values, tailoring messages for various channels. Step 4, react promptly, but strategically. Be prompt and careful to ensure accuracy, preventing misinformation and escalation. Step 5, take action to resolve the situation. Implement solutions, communicate actions, and prioritize transparency to rebuild trust by addressing underlying issues. Step 6, engage with your audience. Keep track of channels, address feedback, and display empathy to reduce negative sentiment. Step 7, utilize the power of earned media, gain positive coverage, highlight actions, and leverage endorsements to rebuild trust. Step 8, learn from the crisis and enhance. Analyze the response post-crisis to improve and strengthen future management processes. Let's look into the PR crisis management tools. Crisis plan, crisis team, and media monitoring. Explore innovative advertising strategies in PR Communication Age magazine for effective PR crisis management, emphasizing flexibility and honesty to enhance brand reputation.
If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Click the bell icon to get the notifications whenever our video is out.